Apologies for the slight delay in getting away today. It was caused by some handling issues in Manchester, which meant that we couldn't get away because the aircraft hadn't been cleaned from the night before, believe it or not, by the cleaning company. So we had to wait for that to be done before we could depart to come and pick you up down here in Girona. We're here now, we're pretty much ready to go now, so in the next few minutes we'll be pushing back, taxiing out to the southerly facing runway here in Girona. And after we get a bit of altitude, we'll be pointing ourselves to the north over the terrain, climbing up to an altitude of 38,000 feet. Flight time today is rather quick, 1 hour and 50 minutes. And the conditions en route are forecast to be nice. And in Manchester, possibility of the odd shower passing through with a light breeze, and temperature should be around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius.
Seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened even though the seatbelt sign is switched off, in case we do experience any unexpected turbulence. Please take care when opening overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out. This is a non-smoking flight and this does include e-cigarettes, vapes and those nicotine products that resemble cigarettes. As a reminder, recharging of these devices or their batteries is not permitted on board. Any electronic devices which are charging must always be monitored. While we will do everything that we can to make this flight enjoyable experience to end your holiday, we do need to remind everyone that drinking your own alcohol bought in the airport or large bottles purchased on board is strictly forbidden. We want everyone to enjoy their flight and to avoid being impacted by any disruptive behaviour. Unfortunately, failure to follow this request will potentially result in some serious consequences and legal action which we assure you wish to avoid. You'll find some additional safety information on the back seat of the shop magazine, and we do recommend you take time to read this. Thank you and enjoy your flight back to Manchester with us. Manchester, where the local time is 1:05. For your safety, please do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before leaving us today, please do check your seat pocket, under the seats in front, and in the overhead compartments for any items that you may otherwise leave behind. Please do take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out, as this may have moved in flat. Any lost property we do find on the aircraft will be handed over to our airport team here in Manchester. If you were given an additional seatbelt or latch, please do leave these on the aisle seat as you leave the aeroplane. If you requested assistance, please do remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked, where we'll be able to assist you further. Please have your passports ready for the immigration authorities, and once again, smoking is not allowed, including vapes, electronic cigarettes, and nicotine-resembling cigarettes. Once the aeroplane has stopped, the cabin crew will take a couple of minutes to focus on carrying out their safety duties. We'll then come back to give you further information which doors will be used to leave the aeroplane. On behalf of everyone at TUI and your crew on board, we do hope you've enjoyed your great flight back to Manchester with us today. Have a safe journey home, and thank you for flying TUI Airways, and we hope to be of service to you in the not too distant future. A very good afternoon to you all.